Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Girlfriend from Hell Terrorizes Entire Family Until Police Step In.
2025, officers responded to a call of a domestic dispute.
Hi, is everything okay here?
Yeah.
Someone called 911 from here, and there's two people fighting.
This is my upset as bullshit.
This is our third time here today.
I know. Let me go back in her fucking room and see what the fuck's going on. This is my house.
Who are you? What's your name?
I'm Ken.
T is the one causing the problem. She's pitting these two against each other.
I know.
Okay, can you have her out and then we'll take her wherever?
I'm fucking trying to get her the fuck out of my house. I don't like the bitch.
Okay, can you tell her to leave and then we will bring her somewhere? Otherwise, we're gonna be here all night.
Okay, hold on a minute.
Okay. Ron AG 35. I just spoke with the owner of 5 Arlington. I don't know his name yet. We're gonna see if we can get T removed from here. This is his house, so stand by. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, they just called us and said that there's two people fighting here.
Oh, no, because I was trying to get her to be quiet again. And she kept yelling at the cop on the phone. And I'm like, please be quiet. But no, we're not fighting.
Open that. I want to talk to him.
Ken.
Now you want to talk to him?
Stop. Would you stop fighting?
No,
with
these
these
bitches are
people?
stupid. What the f***
They're
you want?
going to arrest you, T, and there's nothing I can do about it.
And there ain't no arrest they could get on me. So what the f***
I have to talk to you.
dumbass?
Hey,
Oh, wow.
don't disrespect
That's
her.
been her all day.
Wow.
Do you want her here, yes or no?
If you guys if you guys keep coming here, no, I don't.
This is our third time here, so she needs to leave.
I don't want this, but I'm...
Our third time here, she needs to leave.
I'm in the middle. I don't care what goes on with her.
It ain't me, you dumbass. It's Sasha.
It's because you're talking to her like that.
They're always trying to attack me because they can't get drugs.
Away from me.
I will. Shut the fuck up, ho.
What is,
I don't piss me off.
I need your
Why don't you
information.
guys worry about stalking my girl's door and her window? You're
I
at
need
the
your
wrong
information.
house. She's banging on my bitch's door.
She needs to go, or we're gonna be here all night.
You called her? They don't help you.
Huh?
For nothing.
She needs to go. Tell us to remove her. Do you want her to go?
You see my face, right?
Yeah. Tell me. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What is your first name? Tell me to remove her, and then I will. Cause she's here, right?
No, she don't.
Okay. We are going to be back here all night. I need to. So tell me to.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need to go. Do not fuck to me.
I ain't
Let's go.
doing nothing.
Get your shit. You're leaving. Come on.
Don't throw me.
Stuff. You're
I'm
leaving.
looking. Don't throw me. Don't throw me.
Your stuff. You're
I
leaving.
expect you
Not.
Oh my
God, T.
I'm getting my clothes on. Relax.
Put your
Oh, man.
hands on your back.
T.
Can I get my clothes on, honey?
Oh, my God.
I'm trying to get my shirt on, baby.
T, sit up. Stop.
Stop.
Put your arms on your back. Do not make this harder than it has to be. Stop.
I'm not. Baby, you stepped on my toe.
T, stop.
What am I doing?
T.
Hey,
Your arm behind
no,
your back.
shut the listen. What do they got to do with me?
A bunch of fucking junkies, man. This is oh. Oh boy. Bunch of junkies, man. Did you see this lady's face? Let me run it back. I gotta run it back. Look at y'all been arguing all day. The cop's been there 3 times. And this lady wants to sit here and look surprised or heartbroken that that the other girl is going to jail, man. If y'all having issues, keep that stuff to yourselves. Stop involving the cops for the BS, man. And then the guy, she had to, I don't even know if that's really gonna even hold up, because the officer isn't supposed to persuade someone one way or another. And she pretty much was like, yo, she has to go, yada, yada, yada. Tell me. So like, and that's kind of, you supposed to just really let them sit back and make the decision. And that man is indecisive. He can't make decisions. You know what I'm saying? You could tell he likes to defer to somebody else. He can't sit here and just make a decision for himself. So, but she kind of had to, like, and I don't even know if that's gonna hold up like that, because you're not supposed to do that. But I get it. They're frustrated because they've been out there 3 times tonight.
What's up? I don't know. Baby, you stepped on my toe.
T, stop.
What am I doing?
T.
Hey, no, shut the listen. What do they got to do with me? You're stepping on my foot. What do they have to do with me, hon?
You're aggressive.
Huh?
I'm secure. Come on.
I'll beat your ass. Come on. Oh, let me get a shirt. Man, stop grabbing me. I need a jacket, honey.
We're gonna get it.
Can I put a jacket on before I
Get her
go?
personal items for her. Yes. Stand up. And we will get it.
Why am I getting arrested, though?
That place is a freaking mess.
How am I arrested, baby?
Pig pen.
Does you have anything else here? No. That's it?
Anything?
Come on. Gee, stop! I'm telling you to stop!
I'm gonna put my shirt on.
Put it on right now. Your hands are behind your back.
I'm not gonna
You already went outside like you care. Here, bring that. Stop.
Come on, baby.
Stop grabbing me.
Hey, I'm gonna grab your dog ass. No more. Trust me. But it's funny how we call. It's funny how we call.
Out. Out.
Why you gotta manhandle me? Babe, stop manhandling.
Stop.
I'll stop for it.
Walk.
I will come up. Stop manhandling me, bitch.
What else does she have here?
She says she lost her phone. Never came over here with anything.
She has no other personal belongings?
No, they're all over there. She couldn't even find her phone.
Can you look? Just so I don't have to go back here. Thank you.
Her car keys are here.
Is there car keys? Anything else?
Tasha's got her phone.
I have no idea.
We tried to call it.
I have no idea. Like I said, I'm not involved with this.
I understand.
Please, I'm not involved with this.
And
I just want to
don't
end.
want him throwing me out
I
because
just want to
she's
end.
banging on my window all night, and then her mouth is going.
I just want to end, okay?
Do you guys need anything from me?
Pardon me?
Do you guys need anything from
Thank
me?
you. You stopped it
No,
all right now.
please, I just want this to fucking end.
Yeah,
Thank
me
you,
too.
And I'm sorry you were so disrespected.
Here's
Yeah,
here's
so
the
am I.
thing. Very much so. But here's the thing, okay? T is playing you both.
I know.
You
I know.
and your niece, okay?
Yeah.
She's pitting you guys against each
I
other.
know.
No, and me.
I know.
She does not need to be here. She does this stuff all the time. You
Wait a minute,
understand?
officer, I'm being blamed for all of this bullshit. And I have nothing to do with it.
I understand, but here's the thing. Don't let her in this home, because all she's
She's
gonna
not
do
coming back.
is cause issues for you guys, okay?
She's not coming
She's
back.
a sweet talker. She'll try to, okay?
She's
All right.
coming back. Thank you, hon.
Yep.
All right, she'll be back tomorrow.
I didn't do You know I didn't do shit, dude.
Talk about a camera, okay?
Babe, stop grabbing me like that, please.
Like what?
Like, manhandling me. I'm next to you, honey. Why am I
Have a
going
seat. Have a seat. Don't. Have a
Why am I
seat.
going to jail?
Have a seat. And I will talk to you in a second. Have a seat. Just get in the car.
Did you guys realize that this fight was between the... Hey! Why am I
Have a
going
seat.
to...
Have a seat. Don't. Have Have a
Why
seat.
am I going to jail?
Have a seat, and I will talk to you in a second. Have a seat. Just get in the car.
Did you guys realize that the fight was between you? Hey, stop, bitch! Don't come my shit.
Your left eye. Look.
Ooh, oh, got her together. Oh, hold up.
I'm not gonna stop.
Back up, man. Might have to put him down. Hold on. Don't step up now. Oh, see. Now we get into the action. I knew this video was a good pick. I knew it. I had a feeling. Oh, hold up. What? She headbutt her. She what? She choked her ass. What?
Have a seat. Have a seat. Don't. Have a
Why am I
seat.
going to jail?
Have a seat, and I will talk to you in a second. Have a seat. Just get in the car.
Did you guys realize that the fight was between you? Hey, stop, bitch! Don't come my shit.
Your left eye. Look.
Choked her like a chicken. Hold up. Back up. Don't move now.
I'm not
Back
gonna
up.
stop. I'm not gonna stop. Right, hey.
Stop.
Why are you hitting me?
You just headbutt me? That's the answer?
But you're-
Knock it off.
Why are you controlling me? I didn't do nothing, dude. That's between them two. Why am I locked up?
Back up. Get over there
Why
now.
am I locked up?
Hold up.
Why?
Sit back.
Cause they ain't got nothing better to do. But they want drugs and they ain't got none. Haha.
Stay back. Stay back.
Hey, see you.
Hey! Knock it off.
What's the reason I'm putting my earphone?
Turn your face this way. Stop trying to headbutt her.
I didn't.
Do you understand?
I do. Get off me.
Don't headbutt anybody anymore.
Tasha!
Stop.
Tasha!
Everybody stay back!
Tasha, look, Tash!
We're gonna get her. Just get her in the car and just take her.
Wow. Oh, he gonna fuck her up. Wait. Yeah.
You're gonna record now.
She's...
Oh, you're hurting me so bad.
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna stop right now.
What's your name?
You're gonna stop right now.
Get the me, bitch.
Up and just be an adult.
Get the
Understand?
you little pick on a man, you little pick on a man. You piece of shit. You ain't shit.
You got my girl like her. Thank you. Yeah, you got my girl like her. All right, and I bet you I'll be get out.
I don't know where it
It's
went.
all over you. Here, put your... Oh, she's got blood on you, dude. Hang on. Let me get gloves on.
You the fuck did it.
That's blood. Don't touch
No,
it.
you did it. You did it. You did it. You stupid.
She spit on me. That's what.
Headbutted me. Battery to 2 police officers. Go in the house.
Just want to get one for my face.
That's right.
Oh,
Your face.
here, let me get it. I'll get it. It didn't get like in my mouth, just
Just
right here.
on
in my
your chin there?
Yeah,
Okay.
This
And
is
then the blood, I'm like,
nasty.
I don't know. It's phlegm.
probably.
Ew. It's in your cord and shit, and it's in here. It's on your hoodie.
Did you get a picture already?
I did. I got a picture.
No. Battery on police officer. Should be spending Christmas in the jail.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on law enforcement and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today.
Damn, she headbutt her. Oh, man. As soon as she headbutt her, she choked her like a chicken. Said, hold up, boy. Oh, man. That was, boy. I had a feeling this was going to be a good one. I ain't going to lie. I had a feeling. And I'm like, damn, they already at this part. And like, there's still a lot more to go. Like, damn, what else is going to happen? And yep, there we go. Action time. Yeah, man, this was insane. I ain't gonna lie. It's like every day you just realize, like, damn, why do people act the way they do? You know, like, this is just insane to me. That house was a mess. Oh my goodness. Junk all over the place. It's cluttered. It's smoking them cigs. Oh God. Yeah, so probably the charges would get dropped, just like everything else happens. But this was just insane, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, Check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.